degrees outside? I don't know. Hockey? Hey, Danny, and welcome to my vlog. This is gonna be Project Explorer. I gotta get that rear wheel bearing off or replaced today. It's currently 14 degrees out. We've gotten about 3 inches of snow. I gotta fire up the furnace so I can work. It's cold. And then I'm gonna do the unboxing again of the Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jack. First I'm gonna get my furnace running. Here's my glove. Looking for it. Ooh, that's cold. Yeah, buddy. Let's get some stuff burning here. I got plenty of cardboard collected. I'm doing that now. Collecting cardboard. Oh, man. I didn't even stuff it the last time. Okay. Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. Well, this is the unboxing of the 225 welder. Self-starting. It's kind of like one of those. I picked this up when I was at Harbor, the industrial. I was looking at one yesterday. It had the actually had hose, and it had all kinds of adapters to it. Let's see how it works. So all mine are all been destroyed now. All right. That might help. Take a little cover off here. Yeah. That's a good idea, huh? Okay, pull that off of there. Ah, okay. Turn your button. Too much. Oop. Turn it off. Don't think that thing is up close enough. Up close enough to spark. firing. Oh, it's on. There we go. Sweet. On my hands. Get it to work. Yeah, start some fire. Let's see what we got for you. See what I do. Oop. All right. Here we go. And turn it down. Oh, shut it down. It heats that thing red hot, doesn't it? See how fast it'll fire back up. Okay. Got to go to the first niche. Huh. Okay. It's still firing. Heck and poof. For $12, I couldn't pass it up. So, all right, that's the unboxing of the 225 welder professional. Okay, just for the heck of it, that was with the map gas. Here's one with regular propane. It's pretty much brand new. Okay, snug it in there. Let's see if it does any better. Can hear it. Okay, you did. It did light first time. Okay, so just turn it a little bit. There you go. Oop. Alright, just let. Okay. Pretty much about the same, doesn't it? The map's supposed to be a hotter flame than the propane. Alright. Well, it's just a little bit. Okay. Valve keeps going. There's no stop. I'll break it right now. Alright, there we go. And that's the example with propane. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You can catch me on the next. Crosby's Tool Time. Stop recording.